Struggling with preparing for audit in CA Inter? Don't worry, finally the wait is over. Introducing the CA Inter Audit Param Question Bank new course by CA Ravi Taori sir. This question bank is specifically designed for May 2024 attempt and beyond. Let's look at some of its features. It has carefully selected most probable questions. Complete coverage of the new ICAI study material. Questions from RTP MTP past exams. Integration with the Bhaskar Concept Book. No repetitive questions. Retention of ICAI language. Compact format covering 490 plus questions in just 380 pages. We will be providing to 50 plus important questions from Param Question Bank. Video of 15 hours will be provided on YouTube covering the 250 plus questions. We expect around 70% coverage from Param Question Bank and 50% from important question list in upcoming exams. So get this 4-color book at just print cost. Now, say goodbye to confusion and hello to clarity in your audit preparation journey. Click the link in caption to grab your copy now.